You see, like I have not seen the official statement coming from the NPP, which you said, but I see, from one of the, from the CEM. I don't know whether he speaks at a capacity of a spokesperson of the party, or he speaks as, as the CEM of the KHDC, or under what capacity. But I will reply to that. Some people, they are capable of making statements which are lacking any substance and any weight at all. And we from the party, we feel that these kind of statements, they deserve simply to be discarded, not to be responded. They are not worthy to be responded. And the people, I have faith in them that they have the intelligence, that they have the knowledge to respond to these kind of statements which are baseless.